Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. How to use blog commenting correctly. Serious blog commenting should not be underestimated as an effective tool for marketing strategies. Active posting of comments can and will create a platform for attracting potential visitors' attention. Get a grip on it. Keeping in mind the foremost principle of bringing value to a blog or site is what makes the difference between irresponsible commenting and positive informative commenting. If the exchanges are kept friendly, informative, and accurate, then the exercise would prove effective to the site. When embarking on a blog commenting session, one must always try to keep the comments professional, as this would portray the expertise of the commentator, which in turn would effectively create the traffic flow both in viewership and in others who may want to make comments. The style of commenting done would also establish the individual position within the blogging community. When this acceptance evolves into a platform for the individual's comments to be actively sought, the effectiveness of the exercise would then also make the site a viable and popularly sought link. Basically, it all centered around the contents of the comments posted. The better the comments, the more effective the draw will be for heightened traffic flow. Being a part of top commenter sites will also be an effective way to ensure interest in one's own site because of the backlinks factor. This will automatically be done around sites that already have a loyal following, and any newcomer with fresh ideas in view would be very much welcomed if the contributing comments are positive and informative. Trying to keep to a strict routine of making at least 5 comments a day is encouraged, as this would mean the individual is already in possession of a fairly commendable RSS feed list. When these comments build up to a significantly large amount, there would be the added advantage of the comments then being visible on